Hello guys, what is going on, and welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all having a great day and I hope you're all doing well. And in this tutorial, what I will be showing you guys is how you can pay with cash on the Wolt delivery app. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I am in the Wolt delivery app. I am logged into my profile, and once you actually know what you want to select, whether it's a restaurant, store, or whatever in general, you just navigate to that restaurant by either going to restaurant or stores. You can also use the categories to make your search a bit more easy, and once you're in here, you can choose whatever you want. And once you find the actual restaurant you want to go through, well, this is scheduled ordering since they don't work, so let's find another one. Let's say McDonald's. Click on that, find a item you want, click on it, add it to your order, view the order, and once you're done, go to checkout. And once you're in checkout, you want to go to here. As you can see in payment, you want to add a payment method, and you want to select cash on delivery. You can add a credit card or debit card, but if you want cash on delivery, just click on that. And once you're done with everything, slide to confirm, and you'll be taken to this screen. Now here you can actually choose if you have the exact amount of money. You can choose the amount that you have if you don't have the exact amount, and you can click I'm not sure, and after that it's all set. And once you click continue, you will be taken to the delivery screen where you'll finalize your order, and your order will be on its way. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial.